I would like to explain the process to apply for an Innovation Task Force briefing meeting with the European Medicines Agency. Here is a quick overview of the steps we will cover. 1. How to complete the ITF briefing meeting request form. 2. How to submit the request form. 3. EMA's review of your application. 4. What are the next steps once a meeting is granted. 5. How to request the appropriate IRIS roles. 6. How to request a research product identifier or RPI. 7. How to submit the ITF briefing meeting application in IRIS. Step 1. Complete the ITF briefing meeting request form. The ITF briefing meeting request form is a short document where you provide an overview of your innovation and the key questions you would like to discuss with us. Step 2. Submit the request form. You can send the form by email to ITF Secretariat at ema.europa.eu for human medicines and ITF Vet at ema.europa.eu for veterinary medicines. You may also use UdraLink to send the form. UdraLink provides an encrypted transmission to protect your confidential information. To use UdraLink, you will need to create an EMA account by filling out the self-service registration form, available on our website. Once your account is active, request UdraLink access via the EMA service desk. Step 3. EMA reviews your request. EMA's review takes up to 15 working days. EMA may ask you for a more detailed briefing document. There is no deadline to submit it. Once received, EMA will review it within 15 working days and suggest the best regulatory path, which may include granting a meeting. Step 4. The meeting is granted. If a meeting is granted, you will need to register in Organizations Management Service or OMS, if applicable. You will also need to request IRIS roles and a research product identifier or RPI. More on that shortly. Step 5. How to request the appropriate IRIS roles. IRIS is EMA's secure portal for submitting scientific applications. To access and use IRIS, the platform needs to know 1. Who you are, via your EMA account. 2. What organization you represent. Is my organization registered in OMS? 3. What user access roles you need. Before you can submit an ITF briefing meetings application in IRIS, your organization must be registered in OMS. If your search for an organization in the EMA account management portal, IRIS website or sport portal OMS is unsuccessful, log in to the OMS portal with your EMA account credentials and create a change request to register the organization. Registration of a new organization takes between 5 to 10 working days. If the organization is found but data is incorrect, log in to the OMS portal with your EMA account credentials and create a change request to update the data. A valid SPOR user role is required to perform this action. Once the OMS registration is complete, you need 2 specific IRIS roles to be authorized to act on behalf of this organization within IRIS. 1. IRIS PLM Industry Admin. With this role, you can approve user access requests. 2. IRIS Industry Manager roles. With this role, you can submit, edit, or withdraw an application. To request these, log into your EMA account, select Request Access for Organizations, search and select your organization, click Select Roles, type IRIS, choose the appropriate roles, and submit. Step 6. How to request a research product identifier or RPI. Once you have been granted the required IRIS roles, the next step is to request a research product identifier or RPI. For single medicinal product, EMA uses RPIs to track development through pre-authorization procedures. If you are submitting a new medicinal product and don't yet have an RPI, you will need to request one. First, check if your active substance is listed in the EMA Public Substances list in IRIS. If it is not listed, submit a request via the EMA service desk to register it by completing the substance request form. This may take up to 5 working days. The substance will then appear in the drop-down list in IRIS when you are creating your submission for an RPI request. For technology, methodology, or multiple medicinal products, if your RPI relates to a technology, a methodology, or a multiple medicinal products, the standard process does not apply. In this case, the ITF Secretariat creates the RPI for your submission. Simply provide your location ID number once your organization is registered in OMS and you have obtained the necessary IRIS rows. Your RPI will be sent to you via email by the ITF Secretariat and be visible in IRIS. To start using IRIS, please follow these steps. 1. After notification that your IRIS user access role has been approved, wait for 30 minutes to allow time for the synchronization process. 2. Go to the IRIS website and click Sign In and then the blue EMA account button. 3. In the Microsoft Sign-In window, enter your EMA username followed by id.ema.europa.eu. 4. In the next window, make sure that your EMA account username is followed by the suffix id.ema.europa.eu and then enter your EMA account password. You are now ready to use the platform. Step 7. How to submit the ITF briefing meeting application in IRIS. Follow the steps outlined in section 2.3 and 5 of the IRIS Guide for applicants. EMA provides helpful guidance and training videos on using IRIS and submitting scientific applications. Please check our website for further information. If you are thinking of applying and would like support with the form and/or briefing document, don't hesitate to contact the ITF Secretariat.